In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Twitch account on either your Android phone or your iPhone, it doesn't matter. So to do this, we actually don't need to be on the Twitch app. What you actually want to do, you want to go out of the Twitch app and you want to open up a web browser. So I'm opening up Google Chrome. And then once you've opened up Chrome, you want to go to the twitch.tv website. So just go ahead and type in twitch.tv and it will take you here to the mobile website. Now we can't actually do this on the mobile version, so what we can do, we can go to the top right hand corner and click on the three dots, by the way, and then we can request the desktop site. So here, once you've done that, it's going to take you to the desktop version of Twitch. So we'll just wait for it to load here and we can then zoom in, and what you're trying to do here is zoom in to the top right hand corner. So once you've done that, go ahead and click on your icon in the top right hand corner. Then you can scroll down and go to settings. And when you're in settings here, you'll see all of the settings you'll usually be able to see on the computer. Now from here, you want to scroll down and you'll see disabling your Twitch account. And then if you go all the way to the right here, you can see disable account. Go ahead and click on that. It's then going to open this page here. And you can go and give them a reason why you're disabling your account. And you can go and click the purple disable account button. And once you've done that, your account will then be disabled. I hope that video helped you out. Please do leave a like and then comment down below.